Hello, children. Let us continue our chapter How Many Times. Our topic is How Many Times 2. Children, in the picture shown here, there are birds which are arranged in two groups. See the first line, we have two birds arranged in one group. So, it is written 1 times 2 is 2. That means in one group there are two birds. So answer is total 2 birds are there. The same thing we can write it as 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. See the second line. Here we have two groups of two birds. So it is written 2 times 2 is 4, or we can say 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Similarly, in the third line, there are three groups of two birds. So, we can write it as 3 times 2, that is equal to 6, or we can say 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. See the fourth line. We have 4 groups of two birds. So we can write it as 4 times 2 is 8, or we can write it as 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. See the fifth line. There are 5 groups of two birds. So we can write it as 5 times 2 is 10, or in other way we can write it as 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. See the sixth line. 6 groups of two birds are there. So we will write it as 6 times 2, that is equal to 12, or we can write it as 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. Now see the seventh line. Here there are 7 groups of two birds. So we will write it as 7 times 2, that is 14, or we can write it as 7 multiplied by 2 is equal to 14. Now let us see the eighth line. Here there are 8 groups of two birds each. So we will write it as 8 times 2, that is 16, or in other way we will write it as 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. Children, the next two you will be doing it by yourself. Let us see the next topic. The topic is Jump with Me. Taru frog jumps 3 steps each time. Which numbers will Taru touch? Children, here a number line has been given starting from number 0 till number 54. A frog whose name is Taru is jumping 3 steps each time. So, if we start from 0 and count 3 steps, we will get 3. So, in the box where it is written 1 multiplied by 3, we will write 3. Similarly, from 3, if we count 3 steps, we will get the number 6. So, in the box where it is written 2 multiplied by 3, we will write 6. Again, on counting 3 steps from 6, we will get 9. So, in the box where 3 multiplied by 3 is written, we will write 9. Similarly, from 9, if you count 3 steps, you will get 12. So, in the box where 4 into 3 is written, we will write 12. Again from 12, if you jump 3 steps, you will get 15, then 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42 and 45. Children, similarly you have the next topic, that is show jumps with 4 steps. Here, like the way we did for the frog with 3 steps, you will jump 4 steps starting from 0 till the number 60. Similarly, in the next topic, you have to do with 7 steps. You will start from 0 and you will go forward till 15 total steps. I hope you understood the topic taught today. Happy learning!